Hello everyone. So today I have for you what is probably one of the easiest to service laptops that I have ever seen, at least with my own eyes. I'm sure there are other laptops that are more easily serviceable than this is, but this is really two thumbs up, that's for sure. I think this would definitely make Ruth Rothman proud. Now, unfortunately, this is an older laptop, so this was from a time back when this was more common. So I'm not going to say, oh, you should go out and buy it. This is a slow laptop. As far as its usability in 2018, I do consider it to be usable, but it is nevertheless a slow laptop. But if you want to upgrade anything, this is definitely the laptop that will make it as easy as possible to do that. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, one screwdriver into one hole. Unscrew. And undo. That is it. You don't even need to remove the battery. Although you really should. But yeah, one screw and undo. Sorry about my refrigerator there. And then you have access to your RAM and your hard drive and your PCIe. I forget what variant it's called. But yeah, pretty sweet. Unfortunately, the only thing that's really not easily accessible is the CMOS battery, which is hidden under there. You can still unplug it, but... And I'm sure you could... yeah, I don't think you can actually change that without opening it up further. But everything else, hard drive, RAM, and Wi-Fi and all that, you can easily change it out. Again, with one screw. Copy this, Apple. Apple needs more of this stuff in their laptops.